Hello and welcome to another PM Online tutorial session. In this video, we'll be going over how to key a rental ticket. This will likely be one of the primary reasons for using the online portal, so let's get started. After you've acquired your login credentials and are logged in and viewing the dashboard, click on the quick action labeled View and Key Rental Tickets, or click the Orders drop-down from the top menu and click Rental Orders. This will take you to where you can see your current, future, and past rental tickets, no matter their current status. To make it easy to identify your orders for the current week, they'll always show up in green rows and at the top. If you have rental tickets for future weeks, simply scroll up to view them. If you'd like to filter your tickets by a time range or status, click the filter button and make your selections. When you're done, make sure you click Clear Filter so your ticket list returns to default. You can also search for a specific ticket. This is accomplished by clicking on the magnifier next to the filter button. You can search for ticket numbers by first and last name and confirmation numbers. Once you're done with your search, be sure to clear the search results by clicking the magnifier again. This will return the ticket list to your default view. Now let's key a new ticket by first clicking on the green Add Rental Ticket button. The new ticket process is broken up into 4 easy steps. We'll start by keying in the ticket details, which will begin to fill in the ticket summary section you see here on the left. The fields with a red asterisk require your input. Once you've filled in the ticket details, click Next, located at the top or bottom of the screen. Step 2 is the measurement section and is completely optional. If you do choose to enter your customer's measurements, you'll be able to look them up in the future if necessary. Once you're done, click Next. Step 3 is where you select the styles and sizes for your customer. As you can see, all the individual items are in collapsible sections. This is especially helpful when keying a ticket on a phone or tablet. It will help you prevent from having to do a lot of unnecessary scrolling. When on this step, it's best that you already have all the style numbers that your customer selected. Knowing the style numbers will help make the process of entering a ticket much quicker. If you find yourself at this section and are unsure about a specific item and you don't have access to a rental catalog, you can select the magnifier beside the gray style number field to help you search for a specific code. In this ticket example, let's key style 1057 into the gray box. You'll see a description and a picture populate so that you can visually verify that what you keyed is what you intended to. You can also click the picture to see more details on that specific style. Next, you can move on to the pant style, or you can use the autofill feature, which will populate the entire ticket with the style numbers of how the coat is shown in the catalog. Keep in mind that even when you use the autofill feature, you can always make changes to any of the items. For example, even though the 1057 is shown with shirt style ISF, your customer may want an ivory shirt. Just type over the style number with another style number. If you don't want one of the selections, simply exit out. You'll need to select a size for all the items in the ticket by selecting the size drop-downs in each section. The sizes shown are the sizes we have available for the week ending date that you selected in Step 1. If you don't see the size that you want in the drop-down, it's because it's not available for that week. When keying a pant, you'll also need to either input an outseam or an inseam. After you've made all your selections, click Next. If you forget to select a size, an error box will pop up to remind you. You'll notice the coat section doesn't have a green check mark. This is another visual indicator letting you know items selections are complete. Select a coat size, and then continue to click Next. The fourth and final step is reviewing and booking your ticket. Before you book a ticket, make sure to glance over all your selected styles to ensure you haven't missed anything. If a product doesn't look right, you can click the image icon out to the left to see picture and details. You can see and review pricing information out to the right, along with seeing your 5% savings amount for keying the order on PM Online. Once you've verified everything, click Book Ticket. Once you do, you'll notice the status will change from an orange open status to a green booked status. Now that you've booked your ticket, you'll see a verification message letting you know your confirmation number and informing you that you have up until the time Palmorel prints and processes your order to make changes. I go over in a separate video of how to reopen and edit an existing ticket, so be sure to check that one out. From here, you have several next step options. If you don't have any more tickets that need to be keyed, you can simply return to the ticket list or the dashboard by clicking either of the bottom options. If you'd like to print out this ticket for your records, click on Print Ticket. If you do have more orders to key, you have a couple options. If you have another completely different ticket that either is for a different week ending date or will contain different styles, just click on New Event or New Ticket. This will allow you to start a new ticket without copying over any information from the previous ticket. If, however, the next ticket needing to be keyed is for the same date or will contain same styles, you can click Create an additional ticket within this event. It will then ask you if you want to copy the dates and styles or just copy the dates, and that will move over to your new ticket. This is a wonderful time-saving feature, especially when keying in multiple groomsmen orders. Be sure to give this feature a try. For now, we will exit out from this ticket and return to the rental ticket list. You can now scroll up to find the ticket that we just keyed for the week of July 29th for Andrew Jones. Congratulations! This concludes our tutorial on how to key a rental ticket. Please be sure to check out our other videos, which you can access at palmorel.com.